Okay guys, check this out. Right here we have the engine to my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. And today I'm going to show you how I made it even better. So here's the brand new carbon fiber engine cover from my sponsors Tornado Tuning. As you can see, the design looks awesome. The carbon fiber looks amazing. You can really see the weave pattern. The clear coat looks awesome. It's super shiny. Everything about this just looks awesome. If you're interested in this carbon fiber engine cover for your car, definitely reach out to Tornado Tuning. I'll leave their contact information in the description below. Before I can install this on the car, there are a few modifications I need to do to it so it fits properly on the car. Let me walk you through them step by step. Here's the carbon fiber cover and here is the stock cover. So the first thing you notice is it's missing a star. So I'm gonna have to transfer this star to the brand new cover. But the most important piece is modifying the backside of this brand new cover to match the OEM cover. And here are the backside of the engine covers. For the carbon fiber one, you could really see all the weave and also all the resin. But here's what I need to do. So on this stock cover, it has this kind of cushion material. I'm gonna peel this off and stick it onto the brand new one. But the most important piece is these are the mounting points to the engine. So each of these holes, they have this rubber grommet that sits inside. And then this little hole inside mounts onto a perch on the engine. So the brand new cover, you see, it doesn't have these holes. It has these little tiny holes. So I'm gonna have to make a hole big enough to take these from the stock cover and transplant them to the new one. And what I found out was I'm gonna have to use one of these. This is gonna be large enough to drill the holes. I wanna say this is 29 or 30 millimeters, but it should do the trick. And what's great about this is it has a drill bit in the middle and there's already holes, so this will sit right in the hole and then I can basically drill the new hole. So here is the final results. And yes, I'm missing one in the back. You can see it's still there. And the reason being was I accidentally broke it off. I was super close to making the hole and then the whole thing just snapped off. But it snapped off clean because, I mean, this still looks perfectly fine. I could probably repair this later and glue it back on, but I think for now, I'm just gonna go with the 3 mounting points. Next step is transferring the star. So this is the other side of the star. I just need to drill these 3 spots and then I should be able to push the star out and then glue it onto the other side of this cover. To install the star, I'm gonna have to cut these little legs off of it so that way it's flush with the brand new cover. Just gonna use a tool to cut it. Okay, now it's nice and flush. Should be able to sit right there. Now I'm just going to use some high temperature epoxy to adhere it to the engine cover. The last step is to remove this padding and transfer it to the new engine cover. I'm just going to peel it off, and then I'm going to apply the high temperature epoxy as the adhesive, so that way it stays on and I know it's not going to come off. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the glue to dry. Once that's fully cured, I can go ahead and install this on the car. Well, here it is, guys. The carbon fiber cover is installed, and it looks amazing. That looks so good, especially now that it matches my carbon fiber air tube. And of course, I have the carbon fiber air intake kit from Tornado Tuning, and I have my all black upgraded intercooler. So this is all Tornado Tuning, Tornado Tuning, Tornado Tuning, Tornado Tuning, Tornado Tuning. And under here, I also have an intercooler charge pipe that's Tornado Tuning. So yeah, I love the setup. It looks awesome. Well, there you have it, another really cool mod from Tornado Tuning. Again, if you want more information on the product, feel free to reach out to Tornado Tuning. So I think my engine bay is ready for a car meet, and that's where I'm gonna head out to. I'll see you next time.